morning. We are still camping. The kids decided they wanted pancakes, so I'm just gonna make pancakes. It's a beautiful day. I don't think it's supposed to rain today. Charlie is loving the camping life though. The kids woke up a little bit earlier than me and they have made a hot mess. So let's get this RV cleaned up and get these pancakes going. Isn't it there?
Bluetooth for. Don't you think you add a little too much water? Do you have color?
I never said.